Future is a choice. Will we accept this when we know this? That's just a quick teaser. If you like that, please stay tuned for the rest of the video. Click like, hit subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you very much. Here's a question. Where does your electricity come from? The utility company electricity comes from dirty, limited resources which are bad for the planet. The power comes from coal and nuclear, but many of those plants are being closed. The law of supply and demand dictates the price will go up. Then every time you flick the switch, our future is a choice. Will we accept this when we know this? Have you seen how many of your friends and neighbors have already taken steps to save us by going solar with Walker Power? You can fix this too, since you're Superman without the cape. You want someone you can trust with your baby or your puppy, because the future is that important. Congratulations! You have a pile of money and you get to choose what to do with it. You can either pay for 7 years of electric company charges or own 35 to 40 years of solar electric energy. The best thing to do is work with a local solar company, which might have worked with your friends or your friends' friends. This way you can ask your friends how it went. You want to speak to their customers, but if you don't know any, check the website or YouTube for testimonials. It's a long process. You'll want to know Walker Power is with you. Please check out the links in the description. When you solar with Walker Power, you solar with family. Don't forget to check out our monthly specials. walkerpower.energy/special-offer. Plus, get 30-day money-back guarantee when financed. For more information, 908-377-1391 or call Walker at walkerpower.energy.
Para más información en español, contacta jasminewalker@walkerpower.energy.